The Medistor cabinet with sliding holders enhances accessibility and ergonomics to optimize the work of hospital staff. Its traceability system provides access to user, device, and patient information. Endoscope access is facilitated by sliding holders set at an ergonomic height, on which tension-free, flexible endoscope holders are mounted. Guides ensure safe storage without contact with other endoscopes, thus reducing the risk of cross-infections. Thanks to flexible tips, the tubing that carries air to the dry channels is quickly connected. To help with the evacuation of water, the channels are ventilated in the direction of gravity, starting with an initial purge, followed by continuous positive pressure ventilation. The cabinet is ventilated through two independent systems with HEPA filters, one for the chamber and the other for the channels.